During the summer holidays, 9-year-old Anne decided to learn how to swim. She wanted to stay healthy and feel as strong as an ox. When her mom took her to the local pool for the first time, Anne was both excited and a little bit scared. The water looked as big as the ocean to her. She took a deep breath, closed her eyes, and jumped in with both feet. The water was cool, and it felt strange, like she was a fish out of water. Her swim coach, Miss Lily, was very kind and patient. "It's okay, Anne," she said with a big smile. "Rome wasn't built in a day. Let's take it one step at a time." And liked Miss Lily's calm voice and decided to give it her best shot. She started by learning to kick her legs and blow bubbles in the water. At first, it felt like she was all thumbs, and she accidentally swallowed a bit of pool water. It tasted funny, and she made a face, but Miss Lily cheered her on, saying, "Don't worry, Anne. Practice makes perfect." Day by day, Anne started to feel more comfortable in the water. She was learning to float on her back and glide like a little fish. She wasn't a natural at first, but she was as stubborn as a mule. She kept practicing, even when she felt tired or when the water splashed into her eyes. Sometimes, when she swam a little too far, she felt butterflies in her stomach, but she remembered Miss Lily's words: "You've got this, Anne." One sunny day, after weeks of hard work, and tried swimming without her float, her heart was pounding like a drum. She took a deep breath, pushed off from the pool wall, and kicked her legs. She moved forward little by little, feeling the water slide past her. She was doing it. She was swimming all by herself. She felt as light as a feather and as proud as a peacock. Miss Lily clapped, and her mom cheered from the side of the pool. Anne's face lit up like a Christmas tree. From that day on, Anne felt like she had grown a little bit taller. She was as happy as a clam, not just because she could swim, but because she had learned to be brave and patient. Now she knew how to be safe in the water and even taught her little brother how to float. She realized that learning something new wasn't always easy, but it was worth every drop of water in her eyes, and was ready to dive into more adventures, knowing she could handle them one splash at a time.